Bortir Bill, biking and vlogging. A threesome which urged Cinema for a Cause bike vlogger to speed out, be on the highways, address his call for adventure and the spirit to know the unknown. The destination was the refreshing Waterland, Bortir Bill, in North 24 Parganas, West Bengal, India, about 2 hours on road from Metropolis Kolkata. Bortir Bill, an offbeat place, a vast wetland surrounded by farmlands in 24 Parganas North, located between Barasat and Barakpur, has seen a huge influx of visitors in recent days. And this is visible on Instagram and Facebook, where Bortir Bill photos are created a huge buzz with everything from portfolio shoots to vlogs. There is no dearth of photos of women and children posing with bundles of saplas, which is water lily, boatmen rowing at dusk, and bikers cutting through stacks of jute sticks bundles. It is also a famous locale for AVIFAUNA and frequented by birders to catch a glimpse of exotic birds. Located in the Beraberia village, in the historic area of Neelganj, the area has always had large swathes of farmlands. The locals, mostly farmers, spend their time here collecting and selling sapla and catching fish in the wetland during monsoon season. In winter, when water recedes from the adjoining fields, they sow paddy and onions. However, the COVIDian lockdown has opened up a new avenue for them. Charging ₹50 to ₹100 per head on boat, or even higher depending on the weather, you can row through the vast wetland expanses at the Bortir Bill. Our vlogger Arijit had a great time filming, boating, capturing the refreshing views and vistas of this massive water body, where the horizon truly seems endless. Traveling to such natural exotica such as Bortir Bill truly affirms the saying, "To travel is to live."